Here's table of contents, getting started designing with Figma, styles, component X, and exporting. It's pretty straightforward and it's very basic. I hope at least some of you will benefit from this presentation. Getting started. So what is very important is that Figma is totally free software. You can create it you can use it to create your resume or whatever documents you need. It's not only for user interface design or wireframing or whatever other reason there is to use Figma. So it's very multi. You can use it for pretty much everything. I would say it's not recommended to use it for artistic graphics like photo, doing stuff with photos and kind of, this graphics where you have a lot of effects. I would suggest to open up Photoshop for that kind of stuff. And other than that, I would use Figma for everything. Yeah. Or no, I wouldn't do books in Figma as well. That's a bad practice. I do not recommend it. Okay, never mind. In Figma, you can create teams, projects, which will be covered later, and you can create design files, or lately developed, there is a feature that allows you to create wireframe boards and kind of something like Miro. If some of you used Miro before, there is a very similar feature right now in Figma called FigJam. It's super cool, and I encourage everyone to use it at least once in their life. All right, let's continue. So here is a screenshot of Figma user interface. At the top, you have a bar with all opened files at the moment. It's in a form of tabs. There is a plus icon to open a new file, which can be a design file or a FigJam file. On the left side, you can see in the general menu, you can see tabs for search, recent, community. This is a very cool feature of Figma to basically have a full community of files, of plugins, everything developed by, community. And you can find over there a full set of templates, of design resources, UI kits, pretty much everything you need to design a user interface. Below, you have your teams, projects inside teams. This is used for more complex environments like companies where you have, different projects and that kind of stuff. You can create new teams. This functionality is limited for plans in Figma. So Figma is free, but if you want to have more features focused for larger teams or larger groups of people, you need to pay Figma at first small amount of money, but when you grow, you need to pay more to have even better features. In the center section, you have your design files, and that's it in terms of general application UI. It's very easy to use, I would say.